Hey, what's up, guys? This is my bike check. It's a 2011 kink curb. Start with the bars and shit. These are kink Midtown bars. Sorry for the lighting. I might make another video. Odyssey slick brake cable. I have no idea what kind of a lever this is, but it's nice. Shadow Conspiracy grips with kink. I think it's splash out or blew out bar ends. This is a stock kink Volts fork with alienation rims. Yeah. This is a Eastern choker 3-stem. It's pretty nice, really light, kind of. These are these Mission cranks with Haro recycled PC pedals. They're actually pretty light. This is an animal seat clamp going up to a kink seat. Stock. Yeah. Both Mission hubs. Same with the Mission. What is it called? Sprocket. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's actually a pretty nice bike. I like it. So, I hope you do. Now that I have another camera, I'll post more videos. Alright. Goodbye.